Welcome. Today, let's walk through the updated steps for creating a Google Doc directly from the Google Drive app on your mobile device. Whether you're jotting down quick notes, starting a new project, or collaborating with others, this method is fast, easy, and works seamlessly on both Android and iOS. First, make sure you're signed in to your Google account and that the Google Drive app is installed on your device. Open the Google Drive app, and you'll see your files and folders displayed on the main screen. If you haven't already logged in, just enter your Google credentials to get started. Now, look to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll notice a round, colorful plus button. Tap this plus button to bring up a menu of options for creating new files and folders. From the menu that appears, select Google Docs. This will instantly launch a new blank document, ready for you to start typing. If you prefer, you can also choose from templates to give your document a head start, but for most users, starting with a blank doc is the quickest way to begin. Once your new document opens, you can immediately begin entering your text, adding images, or formatting your content. The app automatically saves your work to your drive, so you never have to worry about losing your progress. If you want to rename your document, just tap on the title at the top and enter a new name. When you're finished or want to take a break, simply exit the document. Everything is stored safely in your drive, accessible from any device where you're signed in. To recap, the steps are: open the Google Drive app, tap the plus button at the bottom right, select Google Docs, and start creating. It's that simple. With these quick steps, you can create new Google Docs on the go, making it easier than ever to stay productive and organized wherever you are. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.